Alright, so I've gone as far as taking the crank pulley out, and I simply use this crappy thing. This thing's like $35 to rent it out at Riley's. It's a 2/3 2-ton jaw puller or something like that. Look, I got the box ready. Right there, 670/20, $35, and all I did was use just a scrap bolt that I had in my toolbox. I don't know what this is off of. I don't know, but I just shoved it in there, just like that. And then, as you can see, put the end on that, and it pulls it out with not even an issue. So the easiest way to put this thing on, this jaw puller, is to get it in there somewhat, and then you give it a twist till it hits the other end. Just give it a twist. See those little lips? Yep, that's where it grabs onto, and it comes right out. So twist it. So I know there's a special thing out there that they use that has like these. It's just a piece of pipe, I guess you could tell, but I guess you could see it just goes in and then twists and it locks and comes out. But that thing is like $100 and something. I was like, nope. So I went to go get this, $30. I was like, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, they gave me my money back anyway. So whatever. So there's everything there: timing chains, tensioners, oil pump. Debating whether to take everything apart now or just wait till I get the phasers and all that good stuff. So, whoa. Alright, I know it sucks with the flash on, but you can't see really. I should have just grabbed my flashlight. But, alright, you see how this says L for left hand side, which this is the right side. This is the passenger side. So you're really going to go off of that one. So I turned the engine, I don't know how many times, and got the colored link, the original colored link on the right. Hopefully it's the same on this side. Right, no, but oh yeah, okay. So I mean, if you really look at it, the L lines up with that one if I turn it. So in theory, it should, no, it won't line up the same, but whatever. So I gotta take this off now. Once this is up, these gotta be pointing straight up. Yeah, because I still gotta put the keyway at 12. This will be straight up. And you can take the timing chain off, and then turn it to the 5 o'clock position, for the keyway to be at the 5 o'clock position, and then you can take this side off. But since I'm swapping out the cams, it doesn't really matter, does it? So I mean, shit, gotta wait on that then. Yeah, I'll just wait. Mustang phasers, they'll have the L right about here, and then the right will be somewhere right there, or right here or something. But GT cam phasers, time marks are closest to these two bolts right here. Once I take it apart, I'm gonna see if I can take it apart and probably clock this so that it ends up here. I don't know how that would work, but I think I can. I don't know, I gotta take it out, take it apart and see. So the kit I bought comes with the knee tensioner, the secondary tensioners and the primary tensioners, the guides, chains. Comes with the sprocket, but of course I got the MMR sprocket. Comes with the 4 phasers and just miscellaneous bolts. So don't look bad at all. Looks a little yellowish right there, brown. Guess I'm using shitty oil. But that'll change once I get going. I think on the Gen 1 Coyotes, if you put this timing mark up, I think you're supposed to see both of these barcode type deals. I know there's a specific name, but I can't think of it right at the top of my head right now. All in all, the cams, they look good. This one has some mark right there. Yeah, it looks good. It's not gunky, it's not anything. The oil fill cap seems pretty clean. Not worried about it. Debating whether I should paint the block or not. I think I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Maybe give it a wire brush, clean it up. I don't know why, but there's like black spray paint. I don't know from what, but it's like that satin feel to it. I don't know. So I'm still waiting on the oil pump gears, so there's no use in taking it apart now. Just wanted to open it up and verify that they're different. So if they were the same, well then I just returned the other phasers and all that cams and the good stuff. But nope, looks like I'm gonna need them. Other than that, that's pretty much it for now. Oh, and taking the cover off, make sure that all the bolts are out. I forgot one. I was trying to pry it off. I was like, what the hell is going on? Well, once I took it off, it was pretty dang easy. Just give it a couple taps. It was good to go. And that's it for now.